Hi guys, welcome back to my channel. If you're new here, hi, my name is Susan. I'm a YouTuber based in Lagos, Nigeria, and you're welcome to my YouTube channel. So in today's video, I'm going to be showing you guys how I achieved this cute claw clip hairstyle that I love. So if you love it like me, then keep on watching. Hi guys, welcome to today's tutorial. So I'm starting on freshly washed, deep conditioned and detangled hair, and I'm just going to clean out my parts, make sure it's nice and neat, very straight. Then I'll take out two bangs because I want two bangs in front. Now I'm going to twist them away so they don't interrupt in the rest of my business. To get a good and nice sleek low bun, you need to work in sections. But because my hair is quite long, I'm going to be working in only three sections. So two in front and one at the back. And I don't want to use so much gel on my hair. But if your hair is not long enough, like long to this extent, it's advised you work in smaller sections so you can have it as sleek as possible. Now I'm going to use a detangling brush to detangle the ends properly. Remember to start from your ends to your roots. Now take a bristle brush to smoothen it out properly. I want everything to be sleek. Next off, I'm going to secure it tightly with this hair tie. Now that that is tightly secured, we are going to work on the front. So the first section, I'll do the same thing, detangle from ends to roots. I'll be using my Eco Styling Gel. This is the only product I'm going to use to slick it down. Then I'll brush it again with the detangling brush, then smoothing it out with my bristle brush. Now I'm going to take a hair tie and just tie it loosely because we are still going to add these other sections. So I repeat the same thing I did for the first two sections to this one too. Now I'm going to loose that tie and secure the entire hair properly. Secure it tightly. I didn't take out the first tie, just this one. Now that everything is tight and secured, I'm going to brush it one more time. I'm not sure this was the last time I brushed it, but now I was trying to like bring out pieces by the side. I don't know what this is called, but I'm sure you guys understand. Then I went ahead to use this hair wax to lay my edges. I don't know what happened today. My edges were not just acting. They were not in right proportion. They were misbehaving. But anyways, I like to brush down my edges first just to smoothen it out, get like straighten the curls before applying the hair wax to it. Now it's time to make those swoops. At this point, I don't know what happened. The swoop was not swooping, but I fixed it. You can see that I was struggling here. Now that we're finally done with the edges, I'm going to use the Eco Styling Gel to coil up those pieces I brought out at the edge close to my ears. I think I didn't bring out like a long piece. I wanted it to be long and like just dangling by the side. But oh well, try again next time. So I'm going to be using a mousse and Eco Styling Gel to define the coils of my ends. I wanted it to be coily, so that the coils will be popping. So all I did was to just apply Eco Styling Gel, mousse, and just brushed it through with a detangling brush. Now I'm going to take this cute claw clip to clip my hair up just so that that coily part is up. I don't know if that makes sense, but watch closely and you understand. So I clipped very close to the bone, like where I tied it. Now I'm going to brush it again. Then I'm using my Eco Styling Gel to coil up my bangs. I twisted it with the gel. Now I'm going to lay everything down with a silk scarf just to keep everything nice and secure, smooth and sleek. And I'll go ahead and do my makeup and be right back. Yes, now the baby girl is done. She looks very cute and beautiful, and I love this hairstyle. It looks so clean, simple, and very chic. So guys, let me know what you think about this hairstyle. Do you like it? And if you like it, please don't forget to tag me. I hope you guys like this video. Please do well to like, comment, subscribe. Please subscribe if you have not, and I'll see you in my next one. Bye guys.